This video shows how to set up a Mimic MQTT lab with your account in Samsung Artik. We have two web browser windows with the Mimic lab on the left and the Artik account on the right. You need to fill in just two pieces of information into the Configure Live dialog. Go to your API console and press Try It on the first Get Current User Profile call. Copy-paste the authorization token into the auth token field. Then copy-paste the ID in the response body into the user ID field in the dialog. When you click OK, a new tab is opened with the results of the setup. It should only take a couple of seconds to complete the process, and you can dismiss this tab when it says Task Completed. In some browsers, you need to reload the lab to show the names of the devices. For example, the first device should have actuator underneath the number 1. You can now start using the lab. First, we see in the Artik dashboard that the device instances have been added to your account. Let's chart the devices by clicking View Data, then adding the first couple of devices. When you select and start the first device in the lab, you will see its state charted in the Artik platform. It is set to off. Let's start the first Bosch sensor, and you can see its temperature rising in real time. When it reaches 50,000 millicelsius, the actuator is turned on and the temperature starts decreasing. Let's start the Bosch 10 sensor and see it also decreasing. When they reach 30,000 millicelsius, the actuator is turned off and both start increasing again. What is driving these state changes? Let's look at the Artik rules that control the devices. You need to click on Show Rules Private to Other Applications since they were created through the API. The bottom two rules control the steady state of the control system. They decide when to turn the actuator on and when to turn it off. You saw in 3 minutes how to set up the Mimic MQTT lab to simulate a control system interoperating with Samsung Artik.